Have you ever spent ages designing one perfect background in Canva, only to realize you need it on every single slide? Don't worry. There's a super easy way to apply the same background to all your slides at once, and I'll show you exactly how. Let's get started. First, open your Canva presentation and make sure the slide with the background you want is ready. Instead of manually adding that background to every slide, we'll use Canva's copy page style feature. It's a total time saver. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click the grid view icon. This will show all your slides in a layout view, so you can easily work with them together. Now, find the slide that already has the background you want to apply. Right-click on that slide and choose Copy Page Style. Next, it's time to apply that background to every slide. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus A if you're on Windows, or Command plus A if you're on a Mac. This selects all your slides at once. Once they're all highlighted, right-click on any selected slide and choose Paste Page Style. And that's it. Canva will automatically apply the same background design to all your slides instantly. No need to repeat the process one by one. This simple trick not only saves you time, but also keeps your presentation consistent and professional looking throughout. If you found this helpful, make sure to try it in your next Canva project and see how much faster your workflow becomes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.